Namaste viewers, welcome to Sunita's Kitchen Stories. Today I am going to prepare a Karnataka special side dish using curds. It is called tambulli. You can prepare this using different ingredients. Today I am going to prepare it with fenugreek seeds and cumin seeds. Ingredients for this are 1 cup of curd, freshly grated coconut, fenugreek seeds, cumin seeds, green chilies, for tempering curry leaves, dry chilies, mustard seeds and hing. Salt according to taste, for frying ghee. Now we will start the procedure. Now switch on the stove, take a kadai, let it get heated. Now the kadai is heated. Add 1 spoon of methi seeds. Let it fry for some time. Now add half spoon of jeera seeds. Let it fry, let it get roasted. Now it is roasted. We will take it into a plate. Again put the kadai on the flame. Add 1 small spoon of ghee to it. Then add green chilies. Fry for some time. Now at this stage, once the green chilies start turning into white skin, see like this, you switch off the stove. Let it get cool. Now take a mixer jar, add this methi and cumin seeds. First we will run the mixie for some time so that it get powder, and then we will add freshly grated coconut and fried green chilies. Now it is powdered. Now we will add freshly grated coconut to it. Just 2 spoons of coconut is enough for this. Then fried green chilies. Now we will grind it, and now it is grinded coarsely. At this stage you can add water, or you can add the curd itself to it. Instead of water you can add some curd and grind it. Grind and come. Now I have grinded, adding curd. Now it is done. Now time to add this into the curds. We'll see the next procedure. Now take the curd in a bowl and lightly beat it. Just mix it thoroughly. Now add the grinded paste to the curd. Now I have added all the paste to the curd, and now time to add required amount of salt. Now mix well, and we will give tempering to it. Now for this, switch on the stove, take a kadai, let it get heated. Now add 2 small spoons of ghee to it. You give tempering with ghee only. Oil won't go nice with it. Ghee will be the best thing for this dish. Now let it get heated. First we will add hing, then mustard seeds, then curry leaves, red chilies. Let it fry until it is done. Then we will add it to the tambulli. Now add the tempering to the tambulli and mix well. It will be ready to serve with rice. Now tambulli is ready to serve. It's very good for health, especially during summer. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Sunita's Kitchen Stories. Thank you.